We're professional punkers, we come from the suburbs. After 15 years, we're still having fun. Now we're over 30, not looking so pretty. At least we got a beat up accordion. That's Eric, our drummer, his father's a plumber. He drank enough booze to get Rhode Island drunk. Now sober but smelly, he's got one big belly from living the good life provided by punk. Buy me a Beck's beer or pass me a bong. Give me some Bushmills, I'll sing you this song. Open another big box of cheap wine. We're over 30, we're doing just fine.
Leaving the wide, 2 footers along the royal. Well, I'm breaking my heart. It's like the passion to the third world century. Bye bye, real McCoy. Not real if I was royal. Now I'm a material boy. There's nothing in this world I think I need. Now I'm shopping, I'm not stopping. Always be new stuff to buy, and I always spend my needs around, yeah. Now I'm shopping, I'm not stopping. Always be new stuff to buy, and I always spend my needs on all, I swear. But I'm in the mouse, so I'm going mind and spirit. Next up might be house, 6 bedrooms and